Hi, I'm Lewis Seco. I'm here at the Softwash Australia 2022 Softwash event. Here today, Saturday, and tomorrow, Sunday. Conference is about sharing knowledge. Our range of high pressure cleaners here at Jetwave, in cooperation with Softwash Australia. We do manufacture a wide range of hot water and cold water, petrol driven units, diesel driven units, and electrically driven units, widely used for the exterior cleaning category. Pressure from 200 bar or 3000 psi right through to 500 bar, 7250 psi, and flow rates as low as 10 litres a minute right through as high as 100 litres a minute. Some of the key innovations that Jetwave do include in our range is our Generation 2. So they feature a stainless steel exoskeleton, they feature a multi-configuration, they feature a Jetwave enhanced premium pump, amongst many other features. So our journey as a company for the last 5 years, we've been around 30, this is our 30-year anniversary, since 92. Our journey the last 5 years specifically has been orientated around the Jetwave G2 product range. More features, more power, and more innovation. The aim is to add more value to our customers and to our distribution network. More flexibility within their fleet to be able to future-proof their rigs and cleaning configurations. Enhanced cleaning power and more availability of performances. Running a international distribution network at Jetwave, we focus on the design and manufacture of the units, but then resell through a distribution network throughout Australia, New Zealand, Asia, South Africa, Europe, and they can go to their local service agent or their point of purchase for parts, after sales service, and warranty determination. It's a mission, I think it's our mission. And at Jetwave, our mission is to design, develop, and deliver the best cleaning solutions and cleaning equipment in the world, period.